Is that my little lady? Is that my little lady? You coming to see me? Come to the bottom of the stairs? You coming to see me? Aww. You coming to see me? Come on. Hi, baby. Hi, my sweet. Hi, my sweet girl. Hi, sweetheart. This is Dorinda. She is my sweet girl. Hi, honey. Hi, you gonna peck my shoe? You're gonna peck my shoe? Huh? Hey, baby. You're the star of the show. Oh, you're the star of the show. There she goes. Oh, I thought you were gonna peck my shoe. She's a sweet, sweet girl. And let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Look at these babies. Hi, honey. Hi, Marianne, you sweetheart. Came running too. Excited for Christmas? Look at this, 2 days away from Christmas. And it is about 50 degrees here in New Jersey. So they are enjoying their time out. Hi, Jaja. Hi, honey. Look at that wig. Look at that wig. You got some fabulous hair, girl. Yes, you do. So this was our original coop, and then we just got a second one. And this has literally become the chicken yard because our original 4 ladies, they weren't laying as well as these Highline Browns. And now we're getting 3 eggs a day from these ladies. No fighting. You be nice. You guys be nice. Uh-oh. One thing I didn't show was our winter setup. I just briefly, when I showed the coops, this tarp is amazing for rain and things like that when they're in their run, but we also have the extension cords hooked up because the water has that little heater in it, and they do just fine. There's also, through Omlet, this little jacket that kind of wraps around the coop. That's what I'm calling it. It's basically a jacket. And so far, so good. I mean, we haven't gotten into really, like, you know, super, super freezing temps, but it's dropped down into the 20s and the girls have been just fine.